friend of me is Xiaomi 12, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose Additional Settings. Then click on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Over here, go into Theme and tap on Show More to see all available ones. When you're ready, tap on the best one for you. I will go with that one, and manage key borders by tapping on the switcher. Lastly, select Apply, and as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under my themes. Then select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. After that, choose Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Then tap on Done and manage key borders by clicking on the switcher. Lastly, select Apply, and now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!